So welcome to the channel. Hope everybody had a great holiday. I know I did. I got a few surprises, and some of those surprises are going to become content for next year in a new season. So, just a real quick video today. Tomorrow is a very special day for Fab Race Mod Repeat, and that'll be the 1-year anniversary of posting our first video. It was on December 28th of 17 that I did the very first episode and started the 408 series. And thanks to everyone that's followed us along so far and stuck with us and subscribed. I hope I've been able to inspire, entertain, and educate at a level you all find useful and entertaining. So that's about all I got for today. I have a nice video for you tomorrow. And I started to put it up today, but I just really want to do it on the day that we started. And I'm trying to stick consistent to my posting something every Tuesday and Thursday. And so I decided to go ahead and make this video. So, until tomorrow, practice your skills, learn a new one, turn them into craftsmanship. You never know how far they'll take you. Everybody's got confidence inside of us. We just got to figure out that key that unlocks it. So, until tomorrow, have a great day. This has been Fab Race Mod Repeat. We'll see you then.